Hello to my wonderful subscribers, and to my first time visitors, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, go on ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you can know when I have new videos. I post regularly, or at least I try to. So I'm going to show you just how I do some of my favorite regal styles here with my natural hair. I'm going to do an updated night care routine because I've kind of changed it up a little bit and my hair has been growing and it's healthier. So just wanted to update. So what you're going to need is a wide tooth comb, a brush, some bobby pins, some hair accessories. All right, y'all ready to go on ahead and get started with this? So what we're going to do, I'm just going to section off pieces of my hair for this first style and basically tease it. So with that, I'm just going to go with my wide tooth comb back and forth to give my hair a little bit more volume. I want these styles big. I want them Afrocentric. I want them Wakanda style, you feel me? Black Panther forever, Wakanda forever. Anyway, I know y'all saw the movie. It was dope. So I'm just gonna go in and run my fingers through my hair and kind of try to get a little bit more volume that way as well. And so for this first style, I'm just gonna be taking pieces, like 2 small pieces from the front. And these styles are very easy, very beginner. I wanted them to be that way so that anyone, doesn't matter where you are in your natural hair journey, that you can do them. So it doesn't really require a comb like that, just section off 2 pieces. It won't really matter if the comb is straight or not. And then I'm just gonna band off the rest of the hair so that I can focus on the front. So what I'm doing now is just going to braid the front, just a regular braid. And I'm such a slow braider, but you know, I had to speed this up like ×4 and it still seemed like it's taking forever. Anyway, different strokes for different folks. I'm gonna get better with time, I hope. Yeah, so while I'm taking forever to braid my hair, you guys make sure you do drop your suggestions down in the comment box, and please let me know which style you like best. I know we're just on style 1 and we have 5 more to go after this, but just letting y'all know, since I have so much time, since it takes me such a long time to braid my little hair there. So I got 1 braid down, 1 more to go. And this style, even though it's taken me a little while, it's very easy. All it requires is 2 braids and just some teased hair, basically. Fluff it up real good, get some accessories in there, spice it up a little bit. So once I do go on ahead and braid that piece down, I'm gonna go on ahead and get my accessories. You see me making faces, I'm like, this is taking so long. I know that's look a little nasty, but y'all know we be doing that with our hair. But anyway, so I'm gonna take my hair accessories and just gonna put them at the base of my braids just to add a little bit more African royalty to them. And then I'm gonna take my hair out the scrunchie, and that is style 1. Tell me that wasn't easy, and it looks bomb. Every time I wear my hair like that, I get all the compliments, like seriously. Very beautiful style, very easy to do, and the earrings just set it off, if I do say so myself. The link in the description box lets you know where to get those. So moving on to style number 2, I'm just gonna part my hair down the side. And I don't even know the word to say for what I'm doing, just like swaying my hair in the right direction, I guess, so that it looks the way that I want. But I'm continuing to play with it, moving the pieces. And I pulled that front piece out, but I ended up not liking it, like that piece by my ear. But you can do that, you know, if you do want to take like a little bit of gel or something and curl it up and make it look cute. You know, mine kind of didn't look put together as I thought it did. Like, while I was looking in the mirror, it looked bomb. But then when I looked at the footage, I was like, nah, that's not a good look. So anyway, just taking my bobby pins and pinning that back, and then using the hair to cover those pins because I don't really want those to show like that. And that is basically style number 2. Super easy, super cute. And as long as you dress it up with some accessories and hair accessories, you are good. Very regal, very elegant. The type of styles we going for. Let's normalize natural. Natural hair is elegant too, okay? Moving on to style number 3. I'm just gonna take 2 pieces down from like right in front of my ear on both sides, and then I'm just gonna band that hair. Now you can do a braid, a 3-strand braid. I did a 2-strand twist because I figured it would be less time consuming, but it's up to you, honestly, if you want to do that or do it either way. And what I would suggest, I didn't have any beads. Well, let me tell y'all once I actually finish the style so you can see what I'm talking about. But putting some beads on the bottom of those braids just to weigh them down a little bit so that they're not kind of floating, but they're actually hanging. That's the one thing I was missing, but that will help to kind of make the style complete. So yeah, I just did one side, now doing the other side. It's 2-strand twist. And once I braid that down, I'm going to take the rest of my hair and kind of use my fingers to push it up into an upward direction. Gonna band that loosely one time around. I'm not gonna double it or anything, just one scrunchie. And then I'm gonna add my hair accessories onto my 2-strand twist on each side. And now I have a little twist on the classic mega puff. And I'll just continue to play with it until it looks the way that I want. I'm gonna pin up the back just so it stays in place with some bobby pins, and then pick at it. And that is style number 3. Extremely easy, very cute, very different. Adds a little something extra to that classic puff style. So for style number 4, I'm like taking off where style 3 left off. I'm gonna leave those 2 twists down there, and I'm just gonna section off like the front of my hair. I'm gonna section that off real quick. And then with the back, I am actually going to take that and put that up into like, I'm actually not gonna put it up. Sorry, I'm skipping styles, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm gonna take the top and put it into a fan bun. So basically, after I put the little fan bun, which is bending your hair over and tucking it under the scrunchie, I'm gonna pin my little hair accessory, that little golden rope. I'm gonna use a bobby pin to pin that down, and then just wrap it around like how you guys see me doing it there. And this style is also another easy, cute one. Like all you need is just to wrap that around and you have like something that's different, but it looks like it took more effort than it actually did. So after I use as much gold as I want, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna tuck it underneath, or you could bobby pin it if you do want a little bit more secure. But that is basically style number 4. Very simple, very cute, very different. Moving on to style number 5, I've taken down those 2 twists. And I'm gonna section off the front of my hair, put a little scrunchie there. And now I'm gonna take the back and lift it up. I did pull 2 pieces down on the side, but I swooped those back up because I realized I didn't really like that much. So I'm just gonna band it once, because that's how I get my puffs so big and loose. I just band it one time. Now, I've always wanted to do a bang style, but my hair in the front was always too long and I didn't want to cut it because I felt like it would mess up my fro. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna take my hair and fold it back, and I'm gonna bobby pin it. Like, I don't know if this is a natural hair secret, but it's something I just discovered. And I was like, oh, okay, so I don't have to cut the front of my hair. So I'm taking my bobby pins and pinning that so that it's an actual bang and I don't have to cut my hair. So I'm gonna pin the sides, then I'm gonna pin the center. And so after I'm done just pinning that down and making sure that it's looking the way that it's supposed to, and I don't have any gaps in any unnecessary places, I'm gonna continue to fluff that puff up there. And I'm eventually gonna take that piece, yeah, go ahead and tuck that back up there. So that was looking a little scraggly. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do to spice this up and make this a little bit more Afrocentric, I'm going to get one of my favorite head wraps, and this company is Black owned. Their name is DARA, and you all forgive me if I'm saying your name wrong, but DARA, they sent me some scarves a while back, and I just want to keep shouting them out because I freaking love the patterns and the colors. They're so pretty, and you know, it's Black owned, you feel me? You gotta rock with it. So it was so stupid how I got that one on. I mean, I really should have gotten a scarf, but all I had with me were like the half scarves that they sent. So I legit had to mess up my hair to put that on, but I highly suggest doing it with an actual full scarf and not a half one. And it would be a lot easier to get it on. So I put that one on and just continuing to play with it until I get it right. And I'm gonna add in just some elegant Afrocentric looking earrings as well to complete the look. Once I finish fluffing, I don't remember me fluffing this much, but I wanted to show you all the full process unedited, you know, so that you can see what it looks like. And this is the finished look. This is probably one of my favorites. It's so cute. I didn't used to wear my hair in like dudes like that. I never had bangs, so I was excited about that one. Okay, moving on to the final style, style 6. I'm just gonna take all of my hair and put it in like a top knot bun or a ninja bun or whatever people call it. So I'm gonna take my hair and do like another fan bun. So I'm gonna fold that over and I'm gonna band it with a another scrunchie. But I band it like halfway up so that it's kind of sticking up a little bit more than it should. And so I just take that hair yarn or thread or whatever you call it and wrap it around. In this style, y'all, like it can be a little bit more cleaned up if you do want to use your scarf and some edge control or some gel to kind of lay your edges down and make it a little bit more slick and sleek. You could do that as well. It's not necessary. I didn't do it here. So I'm just wrapping that around because I want it to look really golden. I want it to look like I have like a, I don't know, some sort of elegant thing sitting on top of my head, looking queenly. You feel me? I'm gonna get a hair accessory and just clip it over that scrunchie so that you can't see it. And then it looks cute, you know, and brush up whatever flyaways that you have. And if you know you want to, you can go all in with the edge control and do it up with the edges and accessorize and make that thing your own. And that is that style. I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.